So in our previous video we took a look at the brand new DJI Mic Mini, and yes, I got the name totally wrong in that video. It's not the Mini Mic 2 or the DJI Mic 2 Mini, it's actually the DJI Mic Mini. But anyway, going into today's video, we're going to be testing out the sound quality again of the DJI Mic Mini and comparing it against the DJI Mic 2. So we'll be using some of the cameras that we used in the previous video, like the Action and Pocket, but we'll also be using a Sony mirrorless camera to compare results. Right, that's enough whiffle waffle, let's get straight into it. So this is the audio quality from the DJI Action 4 with its internal microphone. Now obviously I cannot hear this at the same time I'm recording it, so let me know what you think to the audio quality in the comment section below. So now we're recording on the DJI Mic Mini straight onto the Action 4, and again let me know if this is an improvement in audio quality in the comment section below. Now as you might have noticed yesterday in my video, I kept getting the name of this microphone incorrect. It was not the DJI Mini Mic 2 or the Mini Mic 3 or anything like that. It is in fact the DJI Mic Mini. So yeah, let me know what you think to the audio quality going straight on to the Action 4 from this wireless microphone. So this is the audio from the DJI Mic 2 into the Action 4. Let me know if you think this is an upgrade over the Mic Mini. So this has got 32-bit float audio in it, but we're not using that, we're recording it directly onto the Action 4. Let me know what you think to the audio quality down below in the comment section. And this is the audio quality from the DJI Action 5 Pro using the internal microphone. Again, I cannot hear this as I'm recording it, so let me know what your thoughts are on the internal microphone's quality in the comment section below. And now we're onto the Action 5 with the DJI Mic Mini, and we're not using any type of the noise cancellation on the DJI Mic. This is direct from the Mic Mini straight onto the Action 5, and again let me know what you think to the audio quality in the comment section below. Is it better than directly onto the internal mics on the Action 5? So this is the audio from the DJI Mic 2 directly onto the Action 5 Pro. Now is this an upgrade from the Mic Mini? Again let me know in the comment section below. Again we're not using a 32-bit float audio from the Mic 2, we're recording it directly onto the Action 5. Next up we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is the internal audio or the internal microphone built into the Osmo Pocket 3. Let me know what you think to the audio quality from this device in the comment section below. So now we're recording onto the DJI Osmo Pocket via the DJI Mic Mini. Now all these clips that you're going to hear are directly taken from the camera with no post-processing. So again let me know what you think to the audio quality. So this is the audio being recorded from the DJI Mic 2 onto the Osmo Pocket 3. Let me know what you think to this audio quality, and is it better than the DJI Mic Mini? Now obviously again I cannot hear this as I'm recording it, so it really is down to you to let me know what you think to the audio quality. And finally we're on to the Sony A74. Now this is quite a big mirrorless camera, and this is being recorded with the internal microphones. Now I have a funny feeling that this is probably going to sound the worst because it's not really built to capture the audio like this. You would obviously have an external microphone, but we'll be testing that in a minute. Let me know what you think to the audio quality in the comment section below. And now I was going to connect the DJI Mic Mini to the receiver from the Mic 2 that's placed on top of the Sony A74. But do you think it would connect to it? Of course not. So what you're listening to at the moment is a studio microphone, but DJI have not made the Mic Mini compatible with the receiver from the DJI Mic 2, which is a little bit frustrating and annoying, especially when you've paid so much for DJI microphones. Definitely let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. And now we're recording with a DJI Mic 2 straight onto the Sony A74, going through the DJI Mic 2 receiver. and I want you to know just what a pain in the backside it was to find out that the mini DJI mic doesn't actually connect to the Mic 2 receiver. So DJI, why have you done this? Absolute pain in the arse that was. Right, so this is the sound quality. Let me know what you think to it in the comment section below. So there you have it, that is a test of the DJI Mic Mini against the DJI Mic 2. Let me know what you really thought about this in the comment section below, and what you think about the DJI Mic Mini not being able to connect to the Mic 2 receiver. As someone that owns both the DJI Mic 2 and the DJI Mic Mini, it seems a shame that I have to use two different receivers for these two microphones. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you've got anything at all from this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you enjoy camera tech reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, because that's all we do on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, we'll catch up in that next video. See you soon everyone.